name's Angie. Welcome to my channel. On my channel, I like to do all things homemaking. And today I'm going to be sharing with you my Christmas 2024 haul. And I have purchased some things from a few different stores, so I'm going to share those with you today. This is a year where I'm replacing some of my things that I've had for the past 8 or more years. So I'm just going to show you what I found to replace those. I hope you enjoy the haul. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to start out with is what I got at TJ Maxx and Home Goods. I found these napkins that say Merry Christmas and they're embroidered around the edge. I thought those would be cute. And they're just kind of simple. I also found this ornament that lights up that I'm going to be giving to someone as a gift. I have to put batteries in it, but it's just to sit on top of a table. And I also found this box of Belgian chocolate at the Home Good TJ Maxx store. And these are nice just to have on hand to give as gifts. This was only $7.99 and it's Belgian chocolates. And they had them wrapped in different colors of paper. And I went to Kirkland's and I started collecting these cardboard houses to put on top of my cabinets this year. And I got this one at Kirkland's during their sale. And it actually does light up, but I don't have any batteries in it yet. But I thought that was cute. And it says Knit Shop on it. And then I also was looking for some Christmas napkin rings. And at Kirkland's they have these velvet bows. These are green and then they had red ones. So I thought those would be cute and they're classic, so they'll always be in style. And these were $14.99 and I think it was 20% off during their sale. So I went ahead and grabbed those. And then I was trying to find some sheets for our bed this year. The bedding I had on my bed last year was just too hot for us, so I ended up giving that away. I can't really do flannel sheets and I can't do a heavy comforter because we just end up getting too hot. And so this year I just got these sheets off of Amazon and they're 100% cotton. And I thought the print on this was cute. So I'll be using those on our bed this year. And then I've got this artificial snow type fabric that I'm going to use to put my houses on top of my cabinets, and I got that off of Amazon. I went ahead and grabbed these from Hobby Lobby, and I just got them in different colors and sizes to use for the cabinets. I got 3 big ones, and then I got a couple medium-sized ones that look like this. So this is the difference. And if you're familiar with Hobby Lobby, they have their stuff on sale pretty much all season. It's 40 to 50% off. And I grabbed this cute little snowman nutcracker. And this was $6. And these trees are different prices. This was actually $7 for the bigger ones, and the medium-sized ones were $4.50. And then I also grabbed some of these smaller packs, and these were $3 for a box. And then I wanted a Santa for the little village, and so I grabbed the Santa at Hobby Lobby. And this was $2.50. And Hobby Lobby on their website, especially because these sell out in the store pretty quickly, but these were on their website and they also sold out there. So this ended up being $12.50 with their sale price, and these all light up. So you can see what it looks like when it's lit. So I thought that was cute, and there's a lot of detail on it, so I thought that was a pretty good price for that. And then they also had a few other ones, and these all range from $15 to $10 a piece. that one lights up. This also has a lot of detail on it, which this one was $8.50 for that, or $9.50 for that one. And then this church one here, which lights up, and it was, let's see, I believe it was around the same price. Like the price range was like $12, some of them were $10. That's what that looks like. So that was the Hobby Lobby finds, and I also got this little ornament house too. And this also is going to light up, and it was $4.50 for that. And then I also found this house at the TJ Maxx Home Goods store. And this one was, let's see, $15, so this is a larger size house too. So that was at the TJ Maxx Marshalls or Home Goods store. And then at Hobby Lobby, I believe these were Hobby Lobby. Yeah, the Robert Stanley. I bought these for our tree in our room because our bedroom wall is kind of that light green color. So I thought those would be pretty. Okay, these were $10 for the set on sale. I think these may have been from Walmart, but they're the snow pine cones, and these were $3.47 for 12. And then I also found these here, and I think these were at the At Home store for $13.99. And then I found these icicle ornaments for $2.50 for a box. And you get 8 in the box. And then at the At Home store, we got these large plaid ornaments for our big tree. And these were $11.99 for 3 of these, which I've never used ornaments this size before, but I think it'll be pretty kind of stuck in our big tree. So I got 2 sets of those. And then I also got this gold ribbon for $5. It's kind of an ombre look. And then I also got these shatterproof ornaments for $5.99 for 6. Those are also going on our bedroom tree. And then this year we decided to replace some of our garland that we've had for a while. And we actually found this at Walmart for $16.98. And it's 9 feet long. So there's kind of a mixture of different types of greenery on it. So for 9 foot, $16.97, it's a pretty good price. So we got 3 of these. And then we got this big wreath for our fireplace, because we have high ceilings in our family room. And so we have a lot of stacked stone above where our TV is. So we're gonna put this up there. And this, I believe, was from Hobby Lobby, and it's pre-lit. So, and the price of this was $56, and this is huge. So, and I'm gonna be adding some ribbon and stuff to this. We did end up replacing our Christmas tree this year, and you'll see it in our Decorate With Me video in our family room. It's a 9-foot tree. We're replacing our tree that we had for 8 years. And our tree that we had, we bought when we moved into the house, and it quit working 2 years ago. And so this year we decided just to go ahead and buy a new one. and it's the Grand Duchess balsam fir tree that Home Depot sells. So you'll be seeing that in probably my next video. That wraps up this year's haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gives you some ideas of where to go shop and find some of these things. I hope you're having fun decorating your house, and I'll see you when I decorate in my next video. Bye!